So you think this looks funny? This is the GoPro Hero11, and what did I do with the camera that it looks like this? Yeah, what did I do? I did this. This the Skyreat Anamorphic lens, and as far as I know, I haven't used that on the GoPro 11, on the Hero 11, so that's new. Now, I don't know how to get this to work, anamorphic, because to get the blue line in here, you need a light source. Let's see if it works with the sun. I'm not sure. I don't know where the sun is, and if you see the blue streak from this lens, maybe you do. And in order to find out how it distorts, so how it squeezes the image, I need to find a round, circular, something round and circular, so that I can adjust it. The other thing is, so I'm recording in GoPro with 5.3K, right? So the image is wider than 4000 pixel or what. So I need to see how. Look at that. There's pine cones right in front of my face. They come out of the tree here, and they look very sticky. But so yeah, I can make a wider video than for maybe a 6K video out of this. I have to see how it stretches to how far. Whoa, 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 what's happening? And I just need a round thing. And I see one. It's in use. Those dogs are using it. Guys, I need that frisbee for a minute. Hey! Out! Out! Drop it. I need the frisbee. That's perfectly round. Leave it. Leave it. So I need to squeeze this so that it's round again. Okay, so that's what I used to run this. Alright, there's the sun again. Let's see how this goes. If it has the blue glare. I was looking for the glare. Oh. Maybe it's more for the night, but then again, the GoPro is not good at night. Let's see how that works out here. So, if you like this video, just hit the like button below and subscribe. Then maybe you see more of this lens.